Hello friends, welcome to next video lecture in kinematics of machines. So in this video lecture we will be seeing what is a mechanism and inversions of mechanism. So please stay tuned with this lecture. So in this lecture we will be covering definition of mechanism, types of mechanisms and inversions of mechanisms. So before we begin with the lecture, I request you to please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so. Please like our Facebook page Mechanical Engineering Tutorials and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. The links are in the description below. So friends, let us see what is a mechanism. So before we see what is a mechanism, we have already seen what are links and what are kinematic chains, right? So we have already seen what is links and what is a kinematic chain. So you can refer to the video in YouTube iCard which will appear on top right corner. So in any of the kinematic chain, when one of the link is fixed, we call it as a mechanism. So this is the definition. So when one of the links of a kinematic chain is fixed, it is known as a mechanism. So the main function of a mechanism is used to transmit motion. So there are two types of mechanisms. So one is simple. So we have a simple mechanism. So mechanism having four links, we call it as a simple mechanism. Next type we have is the compound mechanism. So in compound mechanism, if the mechanism has more than four links, we call it as a compound mechanism. Also, when two or more simple mechanisms are clubbed to form a mechanism, that mechanism is also a compound mechanism. So this is about the definition of mechanism and the types of mechanism. So I hope you have understood what is a mechanism and what are types of mechanisms. Now we shall see what do you mean by inversions of mechanism. So now we have seen the definition of mechanism, that is when a link of a kinematic chain is fixed, we get a mechanism. And the inversions of mechanisms are obtained when the different links of that mechanism are fixed. Then the overall motion gets changed, but the relative motion between the links will remain same. This is called as inversion of mechanism. So the process of obtaining different mechanisms by fixing different links of the same kinematic chain is called inversions of mechanism. So this is the definition for inversions of mechanism. So here one thing you have to note, the relative motion between various links is not changed at all, but the absolute motion may change drastically with respect to fixed link or the frame. So based on what link of the mechanism is fixed and what links are allowed to move, the overall motion or the absolute motion will change drastically, but the relative motion between the links will remain same. So that is the inversion of mechanism. So in inversion of mechanism, we have inversions for 4-bar chain. We have already seen what is this 4-bar chain. So you can refer to the video on kinematic chains which has already come in the YouTube iCard which is on top right corner. So also there are inversions for slider crank chain, and we have inversions for double slider crank chain. So we shall see in the forthcoming lectures in detail the inversions of 4-bar chain, the inversions of slider crank chain and the inversions of double slider chain. So friends, this is about the mechanism and inversions of mechanism. So I hope you have clearly understood what is a mechanism and what are inversions of mechanism. So I'll just summarize in short all these things. So the definition is, in any kinematic chain, when one of the links of that kinematic chain is fixed, we get a mechanism. Then there are two types of mechanism, the simple mechanism which has 4 links. We have compound mechanisms which have more than 4 links, or 2 or more simple mechanisms constitute to form a compound mechanism. Then we have inversions of mechanism, in that we have inversions for 4-bar chain. So 4-bar chain, there are 4 different links, and the 4 different links you can fix one at a time to get 4 different motions or absolute motions. So that is called as inversions of 4-bar chain. Similarly, we have inversions for slider crank chain. We have inversions for double slider crank chain. So friends, if you have understood this video lecture, please like and share this video with your friends. If you have any doubts regarding mechanism and inversions of mechanism, please feel free to put a comment in the comment section below. Please like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please follow us on Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description below. So thank you friends.